Ethanol, also called ethyl alcohol or grain alcohol, is a flammable, colorless liquid. Its formula is C2-hydrogen hydroxide. It is found in alcoholic drinks and used as a solvent because it can dissolve many substances and is not very harmful. Yeast mostly makes ethanol. Ethanol can replace gasoline in cars. Cars can use either pure ethanol or a mix of ethanol and gasoline. In Brazil, ethanol from sugarcane is 18% of the car fuel. This reduces Brazil's need to import oil. However, Brazil cut down rainforests to grow sugarcane for ethanol. In the U.S., most cars can use fuel with up to 10% ethanol. Some cars, made by companies like Ford, DaimlerChrysler, and GM, are designed to use up to 85% ethanol. By mid-2006, there were about 6 million of these cars in the U.S.